Let's now cross borders into Uganda. And Ugandan President Yoweri Museveni submitted his nomination papers before the Election Commission as it prepares to face a growing number of opponents seeking to replace him as president in 2016 general election. Now, the commission had set Tuesday as the deadline for the submission of papers. Let's get details from our Ugandan TV partner NBS.
Is 540.
In a last and seemingly tactical move, the ruling National Resistance Movement Party chose the last day of returning forms to fulfill the legal requirements of submitting signatures to the Electoral Commission.
1,986.
The team, led by the party's national vice chairman Alhaji Moses Chigongo, delivered over 600,000 signatures collected from all districts across the country.
Shiboga 1,750, Tankwanzi 1,321.
This sets the ball rolling for a presidential contest likely to create a three-horse race between the incumbent, his former confidant Amama Mbabazi, and FDC strongman, retired Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye. The NRM says the bulk of signatures is a sign of might of the party, referred to as a mass party, especially as defector NRM stalwart Amama Mbabazi collected a paltry 38,000 signatures.
Many of our supporters wanted to sign, and that's why we have brought many signatures here more than beyond what is required. But we are confident that we have finished that part, and we just want to appeal to our supporters to bear with us.
The nominations are expected to take place between 5th and 6th of October. Sabit Joseph, NBS Sunset.